How to block a spammy domain using spam filters in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Now click Spam Filters icon. From this Email Filters interface, you can create a variety of filters for incoming email. You can block email messages from an entire domain whose random email users are sending you spam. Click to open the drop-down list of different options for blocking emails. Select the Domain option and enter the domain name in the text input box provided. Then click Block button. Email has been blocked from the entered domain. Similarly, you can block emails from other domains. Just enter the domain name and click the Block button. All the blocked domains are listed here. You now know how to block emails from a particular domain. Thank you for watching.